MM371, please introduce yourself.
I'm Rian Dayanalin. I'm 31 years old and I'm college undergrad, sir. And I'm single parents and I have one daughter. I live in currently in Transmitter Capas Tarlac and I'm a single parent and I have one kids.
Okay, so uh, you're a single mom. You have
Yes,
a partner or no partner?
yes, sir. As of now I have a boyfriend. He's a Philippine soldier.
That's okay. So who will take care of your child?
As of now, my mom and my older sister.
Okay, so you are from Tarlac. How many hours to Manila by bus?
This morning I travel 4 hours. Depends to the traffic, sir. But actually, sometimes you spend time 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Okay. Mm. So you have three brother and one sister, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many years you study in college?
2 years, sir. Second year, BSIT.
Okay, tell me about your job in Oman. That's in Middle East, right?
Yes, sir. My job there, sir, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care infant, newborn, um, washing clothes, and gardening, and sometimes depends to my boss request, I'm washing car.
I see. So how long you work there?
I'm finished 3 years.
Okay, how come 3 years? You finish contract?
Yes, sir.
Then why not continue?
Because I want to experience some other country.
Mm, okay, but you went home for quite some time. You know, that's 19 and now is 25.
Yes,
So
sir.
what did you do in those years?
In Qatar, sir.
You work in Qatar.
Yes, sir. I'm working there 2 years. I'm finished contract. My employer is a royal family, and because have a seven housemaids, so each housemaid have a designation job. Just like me, my job is taking care the baby triplets, and I have also own signation, cookie, no, washing clothes, ironing. That's only, sir, because have own chef. My boss have own chef,
Hmm,
so that's why I cannot cook.
I see.
Yes, sir.
So how long you work there? 2 years?
Yes, sir. 2 years. I'm finished contract
Okay. And why not continue?
because, sir, I want also to because my dream, sir, I want to go in other country just like Hong Kong, Singapore. So now I try Hong Kong
I see. Why Hong Kong?
because the salary high, and also I have a lots of cousin there. Then if I see the life of my friends there, it's nice, and also the weather, sir, nice.
Yes, yes. Okay, good. So, can you take care newborn baby?
Yes, sir, I can take care.
Whose baby you took care before?
The baby of my bush, she's a triplets. So by each triplet, sir, uh, have one nanny. So one of the triplets I taking care.
I
I
see.
change pampers, just like uh, playing, teach her ABC, the alphabet song, like that.
But the baby, you started 3 years old. Can you take
Yes,
care newborn baby?
yes, sir. I can take care.
Mm. Did you take care your own since birth?
No, sir.
Then you don't have much experience with newborn baby.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, but you're willing.
Yes, I'm willing, sir. I'm willing.
So how do you know a baby gets sick and what should you do?
First, I check the temperature and I observe the baby because as a mother, I know the feelings of the baby based on my experience. And example, the baby have a high fever. I will tell to my boss what I will do because I cannot move first. I can move my own first because I need the advice of my boss.
Hmm. Okay. So sing a song to baby.
Okay. Just like twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the wonders like the sun.
Hmm. Not very nice. Never mind. Uh, so if you take care young kids, say 4 years old, 6 years old in Hong Kong, can you
Yes,
teach can you teach them something?
yes, sir. I'm willing to teach her.
Hmm. What can you teach?
Just like alphabet song, nursery rhymes. Um, I teach her how to write and color, just like
Hmm. Okay, good. And how would you describe yourself? What kind of person you are?
I'm humble person and I'm loyal and I'm honest as a ano, sir, as um person and I'm responsible to all.
Hmm. So can you work long hours in Hong Kong from morning up to midnight?
Yes, sir, no problem for me.
So if the employer are quite demanding, will you give up?
Yes, sir.
You will give up your job just because your employer are demanding
It's okay, sir. Sir, as a request of my boss, I will.
at the request of your boss. You will.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Well, that's what we are looking for. We are looking for someone who will do the job no matter how tough it is. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Even the employer are tough, you don't quit. That's what we are expecting. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
We don't like someone to give up the job just half year, 1 year. Are you planning to work just half year, 1 year in Hong Kong?
No, sir. Depends to the employer, sir, if she want.
Sometimes they're getting mad and they ask you to resign. Will you do that?
No, sir, because I want to finish my contract.
Well, that is the proper answer I want to hear.
Yes.
If
I don't want to broke my contract.
okay, you know, if they want to really fire you, let them do it. But you should not quit. But will you keep a positive attitude and do a good job so that you can finish the contract or renew your contract?
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay, I hope you do.
Yes,
And
sir.
so, how many years you want to
If
work?
I be uh because I want to finish my contract, I want to spend another 2 years, sir, because I need to save a lot of money because my baby she need me because I'm a single parents because still she need pampers, milk like that. So I need to extend.
Okay, good. How many children
Yes,
you can take care?
1 to 2, sir, enough for me.
Uh, what age group you can manage?
Um, 5.
Mm, 3 years old, I think you can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give a message to your future employer.
To my future employer, if you give me a chance to working to your house, um, I promise you to work hard and I taking care your baby and I'm responsible to your house.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. MM 371我俾個 rating 咧係 AA 加加，佢有中東5年嘅經驗，兩個僱主，一個3年，一個2年。咁就3年嗰個咧，佢就湊5歲。2年嗰個咧，佢就係皇室家庭，好多個工人，佢就主要 take care 一個3歲嘅三胞胎其中一個。咁就主力做家務，就冇乜煮食嘅。咁當然中菜佢要再學過啦。咁而家佢就想嚟香港啦，因為香港人工高，佢細路仔都係細，佢需要支援。佢細路仔咧就4歲，咁就啱 take care。咁佢而家都有個男朋友嘅。咁佢大專2年英文都流利，樣貌都端好，捐好啊，樸實和善有笑容。佢可以湊3歲以上嘅小朋友教下功課，呢啲可以做2、3個合約嘅。咁我俾個 rating 係 AA 加加，因為出國經驗都夠，年紀亦都啱啊。唯一就係個小朋友就細少少啊。咁呢啲僱主決定啦。